To add a resume in Overleaf, start by selecting a template from the website, rather than creating a new project from scratch. To do this, go to the Templates section and look for the Resume and CV options. Choose a template that suits your needs, as there are many available, ranging from simple to advanced. Once you've selected a template, click on it and then click Open as Template. This will open a split screen setup, with the code on the left and a PDF preview on the right. For easier editing, switch the code editor to Visual Editor, which is more user-friendly, especially for those without LaTeX knowledge. Begin by editing the basic information, such as your name, email, and website, which can be found in the code section. Simply type in your information, and then click Recompile to see the changes reflected in the PDF preview. This process can be repeated for each section, including education and research experience. To edit these sections, look for the corresponding text in the code and click Edit File to make changes. The main document, usually labeled as main.txt, serves as the central hub for all the information. As you edit each section, click Recompile to update the PDF preview. This process may take some time, but it's faster than creating a resume from scratch. Once you've completed all the edits, click the Download button to save your resume as a PDF. The final product will be a professionally formatted resume, ready to be sent to potential employers. This method is a straightforward and efficient way to create a resume in Overleaf, even for those without extensive coding knowledge.